Next is currency added to name. Let's go to our currency column. This is the professional charges basic column name. And here you can see the clean type identified as currency added to name. Now what DataSquirrel does is it separates the currency symbols from numbers, making them usable for numeric analysis. For example, if you're working with sales data and that's listed at say $100, $200, etc., DataSquirrel will separate the currency symbol during cleaning the dataset, allowing you to sum or compare the actual numbers accurately. Just like percentages, this is essential for comparing values and calculating totals or averages when you are doing your charting and visualization. Without cleaning, your BI tool won't be able to analyze or visualize this data correctly. Like you can see here, the symbol which has been identified is dollar, and DataSquirrel suggests extracting the USD and adding it to the column name purely for a good numerical analysis on this column type.